Do you like relaxing with a cup of tea at the end of the day? Did you know that a cup of tea can be healthy too? Tea can be made out of anything, including turmeric. Turmeric is a spice used all over the world and has been used in teas as a cure for many years. It can stop swelling, help digestion, and has a lot of other great health uses. A main ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which helps bring down swelling, kill viruses, and stops tumors from growing. This can keep the skin, lungs, and stomach systems healthy. Turmeric can help with these things. Keep the immune system strong. Make sure the blood and liver work properly. Help with digestion. Help cure skin diseases like eczema, shingles, and allergies. Lessen pain from arthritis. Stop joints and muscles from swelling. How can you use turmeric in your everyday life? Well, you can put the turmeric spice in most foods, like rice and meat dishes, roasted vegetables, eggs, and salad dressings. You can also put it in your tea. Here is a recipe for turmeric tea. Try it with different ingredients until you find the taste you like. How to make turmeric tea. Boil 4 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric and keep on a low flame for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup with a fine sieve, and add honey or lemon juice for taste. You may like to add a teaspoon of ginger to the tea, even though it's easier to use ground turmeric. You might like to try freshly grated turmeric for a stronger flavor. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.